Early retirement may seem like a far-off dream, but with some savvy investing habits, it can become your reality. This guide is your roadmap to unlocking financial freedom and saying goodbye to the daily grind sooner than you think. Here's what you need to do. 1. Define your early out. What's your ideal retirement age? 40? 50? Knowing your timeline helps shape your investment strategy and savings goals. 2. Unlock the power of growth. Ever heard of compound interest? It's like magic for your money. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Think snowball rolling downhill, that's compound interest in action. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 3. Know your risk tolerance. Are you a thrill seeker in the market or do you prefer steady gains? Understanding your risk tolerance is key to choosing the right investments. Generally, younger investors have a longer time horizon and can take on more risk for potentially higher returns. 4. Build your investment fortress. Emergency fund. Before you jump into the investment pool, build a safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses to cover unexpected costs and keep your investments untouched. Debt demolition. High-interest debt is like an anchor on your financial boat. Focus on paying off credit cards and other high-interest debt before aggressively investing. Retirement account power-up. Many employers offer retirement plans with matching contributions, basically free money. Take advantage of this by contributing the maximum allowed. 5. Invest like clockwork. Contribute a consistent amount at regular intervals, no matter the market's mood swings. This strategy, called dollar cost averaging, helps smooth out market volatility and averages out your purchase price over time. 6. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps manage risk and protects your portfolio from market downturns. 7. Set it and forget it. Automate transfers from your checking account to your investment account. This ensures you invest regularly and benefit from compound interest. 8. Knowledge is power. There's a treasure trove of resources online and at libraries to learn about investing. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor for personalized recommendations based on your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, discipline, and ignoring market noise are crucial. By following these steps and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial freedom and that dream of early retirement. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.